What's up, man? This is Rocky.
And it's your boy Tokyo the DJ, and right now you rocking with BandRaw.
man, what's up, BandRaw? This is Rocky.
It's your boy King Tate.
And this is
the Raw Cap.
Alright, man, what's up, yo? Alright, Norview. First of all, I want to say thank you for bringing some smoke to Norfolk. You know what I'm saying? A Pilot Classic. I'm not sure this is the first one, but if this is the first one, it's an honor for us to be a part of that. I'm looking for many more. You know what I'm saying? Much more in Norfolk, much more. And all the other surrounding cities too. Like Virginia Beach gonna get the smoke, Chesapeake gonna get the smoke. You know what I'm saying? Suffolk gonna get the smoke. I mean, Suffolk already got the smoke. You know what I'm saying? So, thank you for having us in Norfolk. Y'all clean as normal. Clean as normal. Y'all get some more numbers, it's gonna be a wrap. I just believe that. It's not much to really judge when you don't have the personnel, you know what I'm saying, the quantity of personnel, but I mean, y'all clean, bro. And nobody, like, everybody knows that.
Clean. So, it's like you ever been to your friend's house not that real big, but they mama always got them cleaning up something. Like the house ain't got no dirt in it. Mama ain't got no dirt nowhere, but when you come over there, they always pick us. I can't come outside, I gotta wash dishes. There's a fork in the sink, clean. You feel me? Clean. You can eat off the floor. Clean.
Who you just get with this though? You just got somebody.
Welcome. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man. Hey, Norview, all love, man. That's about it.
Yeah, that's about it, man. Well, ain't nothing more to say, man. Oh.